The theme for World Patient Safety Day 2023 is engaging patients for patient safety. In recognizing the role patients, their families, and caregivers play in the safety of healthcare.
We make sure that every patient is comfortable with their care and use of their products for the life of their prescription, which helps bring dignity back to so many patients.
Elevating the voice of the patient, in my mind, is paramount. Not only the patient, but also nurses and clinicians.
For me, it's really elevating and renewing the focus on advocating for, yourself as a patient, your loved ones, understanding and pushing for, how can we as BD improve, the safety and provide the tools and allow these patients to have that better experience and to have those better outcomes that they deserve.
The patients that we care for every day and the devices that we provide to the country and the world really have an impact not only on patients, but also those patients' families.
I had a biopsy. I was told that biopsy on this tumor was benign, so non-cancerous. Several months later, they did another ultrasound. They told me that tumor, that non-cancerous tumor, had now more than doubled in size. They agreed and did another biopsy. And then a week later, I was diagnosed with cancer. If I had not pushed for that, if I had not advocated for myself in that moment, and asked those questions and really pushed for that biopsy, I don't know that I would be here today.
My grandmother was poked well over 40 times, numerous times unsuccessfully, for blood or access to her vessels to get devices in so she could get medication that she so needed. A midline was placed, and it was the Power Glide. The BD Power Glide, how it made her stay easier, how they were able to obtain blood draws, and she ultimately had that in her arm until she was discharged from not only the ICU, but from rehab.
There's always new innovation to help our patients learn how to best care for themselves in the home setting.
BD is a leader in medical technology, and throughout our 125-year history, we have focused on patient safety in developing innovative products and solutions that support and assist healthcare professionals with various needs. An example, early detection of risk factors that lead to chronic and life-threatening illnesses. Our purpose of advancing the world of health continues to serve as our basis for all that we do.